What's going on, guys? Today I'm showing you how I installed the PSR adjustable brake and clutch levers. I picked the shorty anthems just because I like the shorter throw that they offer, and I never use all the way out here anyway. So the only tools you're going to need for this job are a 10mm socket, a screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers, and I used a Irwin quick grip. So the very first thing you need to do on the brake side is, you can see it's slotted right here. There is a 10mm bolt up underneath there. It's threaded all the way through, so you're gonna have to undo that bolt first, come back on top, and unscrew this post here. Once the post is fully unscrewed, you're simply just gonna slide the old lever out and slide the new lever in. Now, as you can see on the stock levers, it's adjustable as well, but it's also a two-piece construction. The PSRs are all one-piece construction, dual aluminum all the way through, with soft ratcheting clicks, 6 positions. 6 is all the way out for the ones with the big hands, and 1 is right here. I keep mine over here at 1. It makes the brake feel much lighter, and I don't feel like I'm going to over grab if I do need to grab on that front brake. So once you put that pin back in, screw it down, and reattach that 10mm bolt, the brake side's all done, and you're just moving on to the clutch side of the bike. Now on the clutch side, it's a little bit different. There's also a 10mm bolt here under the handlebar right there. Gonna do that, and instead of being threaded, it's just a pin. So you're gonna pull this pin here. Now, to gain slack in the line, you have to come down here to the bottom of the bike. Now that we're down here, see this rubber boot here? You're gonna pull this boot back and towards that clutch arm to expose the end of the clutch cable. And right here, a little C-clip. You're gonna take your needle nose pliers and grab onto that C-clip and gently remove it. All that does is secure the clutch line in place so it doesn't slide back. Now, down here is a little support arm with a 10mm bolt. You're simply going to undo that bolt and swing this arm down to free up this clutch cable harness right here. Now, in the Indian video, they show you they have a huge wrench that they attach to the clutch arm to rotate it up and out of the way. And the way that I did it, instead of using a big wrench, I just used one of these Irwin quick grips. I use it to grab onto the metal part of the arm here, squeeze it down, and just rotate. See how it moves that head up, so I can rotate it around and release this barrel. See it right here? Rotate this forward enough that you can slide the barrel out. Once that's free, you can slide the clutch cable down and out of this little freaking bracket it's in right here, which is going to give you enough room up here up top to take the clutch arm. What you're simply going to do is slide it out about as far as this, rotate it over, pull the barrel up and out of this bracket here. All you would do with the new lever, flip it over, install the barrel into the arm, make sure it goes into the groove, rotate it over, slide it back into place, and put the pin back in, and then reverse your steps down here. The clutch cable back into the socket, rotating the arm down, putting the barrel back in, allowing it to pull the tension out of the clutch. Reattach the bracket that holds the clutch cable in place. Reinstall the C-clamp, slide the boot back over. All that being said, now that your clutch is fully adjustable, it also goes all the way out to 6, which is fully extended, all the way out here, which is surprisingly just a little shorter. It grabs about midway right here, is probably about your friction zone, whereas it probably used to be way out here with the stock clutch, which is still shorter than your standard clutch throw. I tend to, you can see the little arrow right here, it's going to tell you exactly where you're at. I tend to set it to 5. That makes my friction zone right around here. The furthest down you can really go is 4, which is right here. That's your grab point right there in your friction zone. That's really close to the bar. Anything below that, I'd be surprised if it's even going to grab. That's at 1, no actuation. 2, no actuation. 3, barely any actuation. Here's a comparison of the stock length of the clutch handle. So it's a good inch or so, inch and a half or so shorter. It doesn't stick out nearly as far. And that's gonna be it, guys, for the install on the PSR Shorty adjustables. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the install. If I could have went into further detail, it's pretty simple. Indian has their own video on how to install levers. Actually, it's how to inspect your clutch levers and stuff like that. That being said, guys, if you like my content, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me for more Indian specific content. Have a good one. Peace.